So poses with friends on Snapchat, what you should know. This is a new viral feature. I've been playing with it, pretty cool. Yep. So it only works with your best friends. So you need to go to like your friend profile, tap and hold and make your friend as a best friend, and then it's gonna work with that person. Also, you need to have Snapchat Plus, so paid subscription, which is around like I guess $28 to $30 yearly, but it's like $3 plus per month. I think there is a free trial, so yep, you go here and then upgrade to Snapchat Plus, and then go to your best friend, and then you will see your post generated. Uh, you can at any moment just go and remove this friend, and then this post will be deleted. So have fun, try it out.